Jackson County, Illinois, northeastern Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, until 4 p.m.
At 3:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Altenburg, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carbondale, Anna, Jonesboro, Trail of Tears State Park, Cobden, Graham Tower, Macanda, Alto Pass, Oak Ridge, and Pocahontas. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 108 and 113. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Jackson and Union, and Cape Girardeau, Missouri. The National Weather Service introduced a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. for central Union and southeastern Jackson counties. At 3:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cedar Lake area, 7 miles southwest of Carbondale, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carbondale, Cobden, Graham Tower, Cedar Lake area, Macanda, and Alto Pass. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Jackson and Union. The National Weather Service, 4:52 p.m. Broadcast media reported flash flooding of streets in Marion, Illinois, with at least one car stalled in high water. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen.
Are you kidding me?
A cloud of heavy rain will move into the area over the next 1 to 2 hours, which worsen the flooding situation. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, train spotters. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Carbondale, Marion, Huron, Murfreesboro, Carterville, DeSoto, Craneville, Cambria, Energy, Pittsburgh, Creel Springs, Lake of Egypt area, Cedar Lake area, Macanda, Stone Ford, Williamson County Regional Airport, Woodyish, Polk, and Spillertown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 44 and 58. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Jackson and Williamson. The National Weather